This is an AGILENT 53150A. Came in as government surplus. Not calibrated above 18 gigahertz as of 2/28/15. If I flip it over here, it says it doesn't give me the options. Actually, I don't. Maybe it doesn't have any options. 01 or 02 is not checked. So turn this thing on. I'll show you the self-test. You can click this switch in the back, and I don't want to miss the screen. So you click the button, the fan comes on. This little green's on standby, and self-test OK. So, and then I just want to show, I guess, you know, like it responds, I guess. That's the unit. If you got any questions, or there's a test that I didn't run or anything like that, let me know. It's got these little caps over here too. Put this cap back on. This looks like it's thank you.